Ann Pareto-Lurkey. I'm an instructor for the IAOM hand and upper extremity track. And what I'd like to show you today is application of a belt to stabilize the scapula, which will be very handy for someone with shoulder stiffness, especially a secondary adhesive capsulitis. So what we're going to start with is we're going to place the belt around the patient's shoulder. And I'm going to pull this around. So I'm basically making an X, kind of a figure 8 on their back, and I hold that as I have the patient lay down. And then I'm going to use the clips. I could use, these are clips that you can buy commercially, or you can just go to a hardware store and get the plastic clamps. They work just as well. When you're applying the stabilization for the ends, start with the buccal side first. So you come in, you go through fully the end, and then you come back on itself, and then you lock it into the corner so it's secure. Then you take the adjustable side and you cinch it up. You come in, you keep the tail with the main portion of the belt, and you come back on itself and lock it in place. You ask your patient to scoot over, and now you are all set to perform your mobilization techniques, and your patient can stay relaxed and you know that their scapula is stabilized.